Hello students, now let's start lesson number 2, the tsunami. Okay, before we read the lesson, let's see the map of Andaman and Nicobar Islands given here. So here are the map of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's see the map. Okay, they are the groups of many islands. Okay, they are two part divided into two parts. First is upper group and second lower group of islands. So upper group of islands, they are called Andaman Islands, and lower group of island, they are called Nicobar Island. Okay, let's see the Andaman group of islands. So first North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman, Port Blair, Andaman Sea, Little Andaman. So these are the parts of Andaman Island. Now let's see the Nicobar Island. Nicobar Island, first there is Car Nicobar, then Tarasa, Kachal, Nankavri, Little Nicobar and Great Nicobar. So these are the parts of Nicobar Island. Okay, now let's see what is there in the text. Now read the sentence below. Rewrite the incorrect one after correcting the mistakes. So here are some sentences. We have to correct the parts which are incorrect. Okay, now let's read the first sentence. Kachal is an island. So this sentence is right. We have seen that it is the part of Nicobar group of island. So Kachal is an island. That is the right sentence. Now let's see the second one. It is part of the Andaman group of islands. So is Kachal a part of Andaman group of island? No, it is not a Andaman group of island. It is the Kachal. Kachal is here. It is the part of Nicobar group of islands. So this second sentence is wrong. Instead of Andaman, we have to write here Nicobar group of island. Okay, now third sentence. Nankavri is an island in the Nicobar group. Now let's see where is Nankavri. Nankavri is here. It is the part of Nicobar island. Okay, so Nankavri is an island in Nicobar group. That is the right sentence. Now see the fourth one. Kachal and Nankavri are more than 100 miles apart. Okay, this is the wrong sentence because Kachal and Nankavri, they are 21 kilometers away from each other. So, એમની વચ્ચેનો distance કેટલો છે? 21 kilometers. So, instead of 100 miles, you have to write down 21 kilometers. Okay, this sentence is wrong sentence. Now, see the fifth one. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the west of India. Andaman and Nicobar Island are to the west of India. This is wrong sentence. Andaman and Nicobar Island, they are located to the east of India. Andaman and Nicobar Island, they are located east of India in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is the part of Indian Ocean. We all know that. Okay, so it is a part of Bay of Bengal and located to the east of India, not west. So instead of west, we have to write here east. Now see the sixth sentence. The Nicobar Islands are to the north of the Andaman Island. Now let's see north. I hope you understand north and south direction. The upward direction is called north direction and downward direction is called south direction. Okay, so here the sentence is said that Nicobar Island are to the north of the Andaman Island. Nicobar Island is a north of Andaman Island. So Nicobar Island જે છે અંડમાનના નોર્થ સાઇડ મીન્સ અપર ડાયરેક્શનમાં છે એવું કહે છે. સો નો, અંડમાન નિકોબાર આઇલેન્ડ ઇઝ ધ લોઅર ડાયરેક્શનમાં છે એન્ડ લોઅર ડાયરેક્શન ઇઝ ધ સાઉથ ડાયરેક્શન. સો Nicobar Island is located to the south direction to Andaman. અંડમાનની કયા ડાયરેક્શનમાં છે? સાઉથમાં છે. So here this sentence is wrong. Instead of north, we have to write down here south direction. Okay, Nicobar Island are to the south of the Andaman Islands. Okay, now let's turn the page. Here, okay, let's see, let's read it. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. Now what is tsunami? Tsunami is a very large and powerful waves of sea or ocean. દરિયાના જે powerful and strong waves હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Tsunami. Okay, and what is the main reason for tsunami? So that is earthquake under the sea. That is the main reason. જો સીના તળિયામાં નીચે ઓકે જો શું થશે? અર્થક્વેક થશે તો it causes tsunami. સો દરિયાના અથવા તો મહાસાગરના તળિયા ઉપર જો અર્થક્વેક આવશે so it is the main reason for tsunami. Earthquake under the sea, that is the main reason for tsunami. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast. So in 2004, there is a terrible tsunami hits some parts of Thailand and some parts of India. Now which parts are affected by that tsunami of India? Indiana kaya parts affected છે? So Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast, they are affected by 2004 tsunami. Okay, here are some stories of courage and survival. Survival means to save their life. Life save કરવા માટે આપણે જે effort કરીએ that is called survival. So in this story, in this lesson, we will see that there are many stories of courage and survival. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. So animals, કેટલાક animals એવા હોય કે તેઓ શું કરી શકે? They sense tsunami before it come. સો સુનામી આવે એ પહેલાં એને સેન્સ કરી શકે. શું આ સાચું છે? સો અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ સમ સ્ટોરીઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રાઇટ ધેટ એનિમલ્સ કેન સેન્સ tsunami before it come. Now let's see the first part. It is the picture of tsunami. Okay, a strong and large wave of sea. Now let's see the first part. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. So these are the story of Andaman and Nicobar around and sea around surrounding area. So let's see the first story. It is about Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. Kachal is a part of Nicobar Island. Okay, so it is a part of Nicobar Island group and Ignatius is the native from Kachal. So this is the story of Ignatius. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. So her wife felt earthquake and because of that she woke up her husband at 6 a.m. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. So at very first Ignatius શું કર્યું? So at very first he set off his table, he set off his television and put it down on the ground. અને એનું ટેલિવિઝન ઓફ કર્યું and એને શું કર્યું? ગ્રાઉન્ડ પર મૂકી દીધું so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. Then whole family rushed out of the house. બધા ઘરની બહાર જતા રહ્યા. When the tremors stopped, tremors means earthquake or shivering. So when the tremors stopped, they saw a sea rising in the chaos rising. So after the earthquake, they saw that the sea was rising. Sea ઉપર આવી રહ્યો હતો દરિયો. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of his mother's father and mother's brother. So in chaos and confusion, chaos means complete disorder or confusion. So ઉતાવળમાં, બરોબર, હફડાતફરીમાં આપણે એવું કહીએ ને. સો ઉતાવળમાં એન્ડ કન્ફ્યુઝનમાં. સો ઇન ધ chaos and confusion, two of his children, so ઇગ્નેશિયસના ટુ ચિલ્ડ્રન્સ હતા, એ ઉતાવળમાં હતા એન્ડ કન્ફ્યુઝનમાં હતા. સો દે કોટ એન્ડ હોલ્ડ ઓફ ધ હેન્ડ ઓફ ધેર મધર્સ ફાધર. મધર્સ ફાધર મીન્સ નાના, એન્ડ મધર્સ બ્રધર, જે અધર ચિલ્ડ્રન હતું, બીજું ચિલ્ડ્રન હતું, એને કોનો હાથ પકડ્યો? મધર્સ બ્રધર. ઓકે, એટલે કે મામા. સો એક ચિલ્ડ્રને એના નાનાનો હાથ પકડ્યો અને બીજા ચિલ્ડ્રને મામાનો હાથ પકડ્યો. એન્ડ રશ્ડ ઇન ધ અપોઝિટ ડિરેક્શન. સો જ્યાં ઇગ્નેશિયસ ગયા એનાથી અપોઝિટ ડિરેક્શનમાં એઓ રશ્ડ એટલે કે ભાગી ગયા. હી નેવર સો ધેમ અગેન. સો ઇગ્નેશિયસ નેવર સો હિઝ ચિલ્ડ્રન અગેન. એમના ચિલ્ડ્રનને પાછા ક્યારેય જોયા નહીં. ધે બોટ સ્વેપ્ટ અવે. બંને તણાઈ ગયા. હિઝ વાઇફ વોઝ ઓલ્સો સ્વેપ્ટ અવે. Wife also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Now Ignatius and three children can save their life. So his two children and his wife all are swept away in the tsunami. Okay, so that is the story of Ignatius. Now let's turn the page. Okay, this is the next story of Sanjeev. Okay, let's see the second story. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal island of the Nicobar group of islands. So he was also from Kachal Island. Kachal Island is a part of Nicobar Island. Okay, and Sanjeev was a policeman. So હતા policeman હતા. Okay, he somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. So Sanjeev can save his family, but then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. So at first Sanjeev can save his family, but then he heard someone's cry, and that was kon hata a? That was John's wife. Who was John's? John's was the guest house cook. So Sanjeev heard John's wife's cry that help. Sanjeev jumped into the water to secure her. So Sanjeev heard that cries and he jumped into the water to save her life. But they were both swept away. So John's wife and Sanjeev both swept away. Sanjeev કોને બચાવવા ગયો? જોન્સની વાઇફને. બટ he also swept away with John's wife. John's wife સાથે પણ swept away તણાઈ ગયો. Now see the next story. Here 13-year-old Meghna. So this is the story of 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. So Meghna also swept away with her family and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. So she was spent 2 days in the sea. And how she spent 2 days? So holding on to a wooden door. So she hold a wooden door, and thus she can save her life, and she floating 2 days in sea. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. So when she was floating in the sea at that time, she saw 11 times a helicopter, relief helicopters. So એણે 11 times એણે relief helicopters ને જોયું when she was floating, જ્યારે એ સીની અંદર ફ્લોટ કરી રહી હતી દરિયામાં એકલી. આ વુડન ડોર જે હતો એના ઉપર સ્ટક થઈને હોલ્ડ કરીને ફ્લોટ કરી રહી હતી, એટલે કે ઉપર તરી રહી હતી. એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ એણે 11 times helicopters જોયા, but they did not see her. But the helicopter man, they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave, but anyhow she held the wooden door, and by wave she can reach to the beach. હવે ક્યાં પહોંચી ગઈ? બીચ ઉપર પહોંચી ગઈ. How? By waves. જે ઝડપથી વેવ્સ આવતા હતા એ વેવ્સના કારણે she can reach to the beach, and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. And now she was walking on a seashore. હવે એ seashore ઉપર મીન્સ કે બીચ પર ચાલવા લાગી. in a daze means unable to think clearly. She could not able to think clearly, but she can save her life. That was the story of Meghna. All his family swept away, but she can save her life. Now let's see the another story. Almaz Javed was 10 years old. That is the story of Almaz, and she was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair. So Port Blair is a island of Andaman group of island. Port Blair is an island of Andaman group of island, where her father had a petrol pump. તો પોર્ટ બ્લેરની અંદર શું હતું? એના ફાધરનું પેટ્રોલ પંપ હતું. હર મધર રાહિલાઝ હોમ વોઝ ઇન નેન્કોવરી આઇલેન્ડ. સો નેન્કોવરી આઇલેન્ડ ઇઝ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ નિકોબાર આઇલેન્ડ, અને ફાધરનું હોમ ક્યાં હતું? પોર્ટ બ્લેરમાં. ઓકે, સો અલ્માઝ વોઝ ધ નેટિવ ઓફ પોર્ટ બ્લેર, but her mother's house was in Nancowry Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. So they went to They went to Nancowry Island to celebrate Christmas. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. So all the family of Almaz was sleeping when the tremors means earthquake came at early in the morning. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. So at the morning, Alma's father see the sea water recede. Recede means move back from where it was. કે જ્યાં હતું એના કરતાં move back જવું. So at the time of shivering the land, જ્યારે land shivering means કે અર્થક્વેક આવી રહ્યો હતો. એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ સી લેવલનું શું કન્ડિશન હતી? દેટ સી વોટર વોઝ મૂવિંગ બેક. સી વોટર અંદર જઈ રહ્યું હતું. બટ her father understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. So એના father could understand, એના fatherને સમજ પડી ગઈ કે now the water can come with a great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to safer place. So her father woke everyone up and tried to went to safer place. So એવો સેફ જગ્યા ઉપર જવા લાગ્યા. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. So her father they ran towards the safer area, but just then her grandfather hit something and he was fell down. So Alma's father also went to her grandfather and to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. So now હવે બંને જણા નીચે હતા કે અવે હતા, દૂર હતા અલ્માસથી. Why? Because એના જે ગ્રાન્ડફાધર હતા એના માથા ઉપર કંઈક વાગ્યું એન્ડ ફાધર શાના માટે એની પાસે ગયા ટુ સેવ ગ્રાન્ડફાધર બટ અ જાયન્ટ વેવ કેમ એક બિગ જાયન્ટ વેવ આવ્યું એન્ડ ઇટ સ્વેપ્ડ બોથ ઓફ ધેમ અવે અને બંનેને સ્વેપ્ટ કરી ગયું મીન્સ કે તણાઈ ગયા બંને ડૂબી ગયા અલ્માઝ મધર એન્ડ aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. Now, aunt and Alma's mother, they both are clinging to leaves of coconut tree. બંને coconut tree નું leaves પકડીને ટીંગાઈ રહ્યા હતા. But a wave uprooted the tree. But a big wave આવ્યું and because of that, it uprooted the coconut tree and they too were washed away. So grandfather, father also washed away, swept away, mother and aunt both are also swept away. So all the family of Almaz were swept away in tsunami. Almaz saw a log of wood floating. She clinging on to it. Then she fainted. So then પછી શું થયું then Almaz saw a log of wood એક wood જોયું and then she holding that wood and then she fainted means unconscious બેભાન થઈ ગઈ when she woke up she was in a hospital in Kamurta. So now let's turn the page. Okay, here hospital in Kamurta. From there she was brought to Port Blair. So Port Blair is the native place of Almaz. So she sent to Port Blair. કામોર્ટા હોસ્પિટલથી એમને ક્યાં સેન્ડ કરવામાં આવી અલ્માઝને ટુ ધ પોર્ટ બ્લેર. પોર્ટ બ્લેર was the native place of Almaz. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. So now she does not like to talk that incident with anyone. So હવે એ આ ઇન્સિડન્ટ વિશે કોઈ સાથે વાત કરતી નથી. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means greatly shocked and distressed. So till this day આજ દિવસ સુધી she is still traumatized. તો એ હજુ પણ shocked છે. She cannot discuss, she cannot talk and about that incident. So in that extent she was in a shock that she was lost her whole family. Okay, so that is the end of the first part. I hope you understand and learn the first part. Okay, till then, and we will discuss the second part in the next video. Okay, till then, take care, students.